Hello everyone, my name is Harry Rittner and I'm an agent sales specialist here at Ritter. And I'm also a cancer survivor. If you have a moment, I'd like to tell you my story. About 6 years ago, I was in the doctor's office waiting for some normal tests to come back. And when the doctor came in, he told me I had cancer. So you can imagine the emotions that went through me. I was scared, I was bewildered, I was very anxious. There was a numbness that came over me. A lot of questions came through my head. How sick am I? Am I even going to survive this? What's going to happen with my family? Are there different treatment options? Once the doctor had a conversation and he kind of calmed me down and explained to me my options and just how sick I really was, then a whole different dynamic came about. And that was a financial one. And a lot of questions came into my head. How am I going to pay for this? Is my family going to be okay financially? And if the best option to get treatment wasn't in this area, how was I going to pay for that? What if you didn't have to worry about any of those things? October is Cancer Awareness Month, both here at Ritter and across the nation. I'd like to take a few moments and have a frank conversation with you about cancer insurance.
So cancer insurance plans are going to come in many shapes and sizes. Got your traditional cancer plans, which are going to offer a lump sum benefit. A cancer, heart attack, and stroke plan, which is a combination plan, but also offer that lump sum benefit. And then you've got your cancer treatment plans, which are going to offer a benefit per service or treatment that's received. And then your all-inclusive critical illness plans.
Oh, by the way, Brad, just so you know, we have life insurance products that also have chronic and critical illness riders on them.
So if I were to sell life insurance, for example, with chronic or critical illness rider, how exactly would that work?
Well, Josh, you have to remember first that it is a life insurance product, and every carrier will have different types of riders that are put on those. And some of those riders will actually give you a lump sum benefit of up to 75% of the death benefit. Now, you also have to remember that's a life insurance product, so it will be a little bit more expensive, and that benefit that gets paid is not a loan. It's an actual benefit that would be paid to the client.
Right. Well, not to be outdone by that, we do have those traditional cancer plans, the cancer, heart attack, and stroke plans, and the critical illness plans that also all come out as a lump sum benefit for the beneficiary. And these can be anywhere from $5,000 up to $100,000, which they can basically use however they want. That can be for prescriptions, for deductibles, or even to take and go on a vacation that they always want to go on to.
Now, cancer treatment plans are going to work a little bit differently. It's going to be a structured set of benefits for a given service or treatment. So things like a hospitalization, a surgery, chemotherapy, radiations, even rehabilitation services are all going to be a set benefit to the client for that given service. Now, there also are different plans, like in the traditional cancer plans, that are going to offer benefits for experimental treatments. So one plan that actually revolutionizes cancer insurance offers genomic sequencing technology, which is basically a service that they're going to biopsy that cancer, that mass, send it off to a lab and dissect that down to its core base and really drill down and figure out which type of treatment is going to best fit the client's needs.
So what have we learned here today? We learned that cancer insurance can come in many shapes and sizes with a variety of benefits. They can even come with life insurance.
But what we're really focusing on here is that we're offering a product that offers peace of mind. And that's the most important thing that you could ever offer your client, is that peace of mind, knowing that they have the means to focus on their own recovery.
Oh, by the way, if you want more information about our cancer insurance related products, please click on the link in the description.
And here at Ritter, we're not just a one-trick pony.
We are
More than Medicare.